Hello everybody, welcome to my channel WJMSS. Now we are going to discuss one question from the chapter polynomial for class 10. For Meghalaya student, you can see exercise 2C, question number 2, Roman 1. That question, the question is, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by applying Euclid's division algorithm for each of the following. The first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So this is the second polynomial. What is the second polynomial? Second polynomial is 3x to the power 4 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. This is the second polynomial. This second polynomial means we can think this is fx. This is the fx. Fx means what? This is the dividend and the first polynomial x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is the first polynomial. This first polynomial means we can understand gx. Gx means what? This is the divisor and we can divide this. After dividing, if you get the result is 0, it means the remainder is 0. Result may be anything. When you will get the remainder is 0, then we can say this 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. This is the px, it means fx, it means the dividend part, and divisor part, it means x square plus 3x plus 1 is the factor of that dividend part. What is factor? We can understand, suppose 24 is dividend. So if you divide by 3, you will get 3 into 8. It means 3 8s are 24. So we can say 3 is a factor of 24. Also we can say 8 is a factor of 24. So this 24 is the dividend and this 24 is the fx, or we can write px also, and this 3 and 8, this is the factor. It means we can write these are the divisor. It means with this 3 also we can divide 24, with this 8 also we can divide this 24. That's why this is, so this 24 means we can write fx or px, and this 3 and 8 means we can write what? Gx. We can write gx. So let's start the solution part. What we have given, what is given in the question, we can write first of all. So we can write we have fx equal to (3x to the power 4) plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 24 plus 2. This is the fx. This is the dividend. Try to understand. Fx means function of x. It means this is the dividend part. And the first polynomial, it means this x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the, what is this? Gx. This is the gx. Gx means we can write x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is the gx. So same like here, how we have divided 24 by 3 and 8. Similarly, we have to divide these 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 by this x square plus 3x plus 1. When you will get the remainder is 0, then we can say that one Euclid division algorithm. What is this? This one is fx equal to gx into qx plus rx. So what do you mean this, all this? The meaning is, we can understand that one only function of x means dividend, gx means the divisor, qx means the quotient part, and rx means the remainder part. Now divide this first of all. X square plus 3x plus 1. With this we have to divide that one. 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. How can we divide? Look, in that divisor part there is x square, in that dividend part there is 3x to the power 4, there is x square, there is x to the power 4, there is 4, there is 2. It means 4 minus 2, we can understand 2 remain. It means we have to multiply by x square, and there is 3, there is 1, there is 3, there is 1. So 1x square and 3x square, it means 3 into 1, we have to multiply by 3, then we will get like that. So 3x square, if you multiply with this part, if you multiply with this part, then what will come out? Try to understand. 3 into x square means 3x square only. So 3 into 1, here is 1, so 3 into 1, 3. Then x square into x square, it means x to the power 4. X square into x square, it means x to the power 4. Then plus 3x into 3x square, plus 3x into 3x square, 3 into 3, 9. Then x square into x, x cube. Before plus 3x square, before 3x square plus symbol, here also plus symbol, so plus a, we can put here plus symbol. Then plus 1 into 3x square, plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square. Always try to write all the terms are similar. Here is x to the power 4, so write it straight. Under this 3x to the power 4, again the value like 2x to the power 4, 3x to the power, what will come out? Try to write in the straight column wise, then after subtraction you will get the result easily. So when you are going for subtraction, then the symbols will be changed like that. So plus 3x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 4 cancel, 5x cube and 9x cube, but 9x cube is minus, so plus a minus a, we have to do minus. So 9 minus 5, 4x cube, and 5 and 9, 9 is the greater number, before greater number minus symbol, so put here minus symbol. Here 7x square and minus 3x square, plus symbol changing by subtraction, so minus 7x square minus 3x square, so we can put here minus a, what we have to do? Plus 7 plus 3, 10x square. Then what is remain? Last part, write down plus 2x plus 2. Now look, in the divisor part only x square, and here is minus 4x cube. So x to the power 3, x to the power 2, it means 1 is less, it means we have to multiply another 1x, and here is minus 4, there is plus 1, nothing means plus 1, so we have to multiply by minus 4 also. We can do minus 4x, minus 4x, minus 4 into 1 minus 4, x into x square, it means x cube. Again minus 4 into plus 3, it means plus a minus a minus 12, and x into x, x square. Then plus 1 into 4x, plus 1 into minus 4x, plus a minus a minus 1 into 4x, only 4x. Again we have to do subtraction, then symbols will be changed like that. So minus 4x cube plus 4x cube cancel, minus 10x square plus 12x square. So plus a minus we have to do. Also we have to see the capital number between these two. The greater number is 12, before the symbol is plus, so we can put here plus. If you don't put also no problem. So 12 minus 10, 2x square. Here is plus 2x, here is plus 4x, here is plus 2x, here is plus 4x. 4 plus 2 how much? Plus 6x plus 2. Now we can see what? We can see there is x square, there is also x square, but here is 2, there is no 2, so we can do with plus 2. We can do it plus 2. Plus 2 into x square plus 2x square. No need to write this plus symbol. Plus 2 into 3x, 3 into 2, 6x plus 6x. Plus 2 into 1 plus 2. So what you will get? You will get the remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then only we can say this divisor part is a factor of this dividend part. So we can write thus remainder of polynomial, thus remainder of polynomial. What was the polynomial? This was the fx. Fx means this was the dividend. This was the second polynomial. So polynomial fx equal to, what is the result you got? Remainder 0. So thus remainder of polynomial fx equal to 0. So this is the fx. After division you are getting result 0. It means you are getting remainder is 0. So if remainder is 0, then we can say this x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of this dividend part. It means this fx. It means we can say gx is a factor of fx. Gx is a factor of fx. So we can write it like that. Hence gx means what? Gx means x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of what? Px. Px means what? Write down px, not px. That is, we have written fx. So we can write here fx. Fx equal to what? Write down 3x to the power 4. 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x cube 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x cube, then minus 7x square, then plus 2x plus 2. So this is the answering part. The problem is completed. This part is no need, only for your understanding. So thank you all of you.